In this video, I'm going to be showing the user how to add a vertical profile widget in the dashboard view of MARACOOS OceansMap. So first we need to go to the Add Widgets tool and scroll down to Vertical Profile and select this. We now have our widget editor. So if we go down to Settings, the parameter list here only shows parameters that have 3D layers because you can only make a vertical profile plot with a 3D layer. So if we select, let's say, 3D currents in Delaware Bay, you can see we have this NOAA Delaware Bay layer populated here. For the time section, we have by default an offset of 2 days into the past. So let's go ahead and set this to 0 so that we're looking at a vertical profile plot of right now. The user can also specify a specific date and time with this tab. We have our location. So by default, it's set right to the middle of this spatial layer. So we can leave that as is, or the user can manually input lat long. And then the user can also update the title if they would like. So let's call that currents. We can add that widget. And you can see now we have this vertical profile widget here. The top is the surface and the bottom is the bottom of the water column. So you can see how currents change throughout the water column at this particular location and time. The user can download the data. They can hover over this line to view the data at that particular point. They can change the color of the line. They can delete the widget, edit the widget, or resize the widget with the options down here. And then when the user likes what they see, they can go ahead and lock the dashboard. And now they're not able to move the widget, but they can still zoom in on a specific area if they would like to zoom in, and then they can reset up there.